guys, welcome. So you're gonna just donate here?
Home appliance giant LG is on a mission to help stop clothing waste. And they're taking that mission on the road with a 7-city West Coast tour, inviting people to donate their clothing through May 9th.
This one's really cool.
The idea here is to inspire people to be more responsible and take action when it comes to their fashion footprint. 81 pounds of clothes per person a year on average ends up in a landfill. That's 11 million a year in the US alone. So we wanted to create awareness of that and inspire people to take responsibility and action. We take care of fabrics really, really well. It's part of our ethos and process and product. And we wanted to bring that awareness into the world of upcycling and thrifting. So whether it's donating your clothes into one of our donation vessels, which is actually a wash tower that you open up and put your clothes right on into, or getting an item from Round 2, our amazing partner, our thrift partner, where you can get a new to you item, also giving that item a second life.
Round 2 is, the premier men's buy, sell, trade boutique for contemporary and vintage clothing as well as sneakers. Managing our fashion footprint is a big part of why we started Round 2 originally. So, teaming up with the Second Life campaign and LG is a no-brainer for us.
To further discourage waste and show different ways you can give a second life to your clothing, LG has partnered with designer Nicole McLaughlin to upcycle leftover items from the clothing swap and create a limited edition capsule collection to be unveiled later this fall.
I'll be looking through all the donated clothes and just finding different materials, different colors, and just getting inspired. And secondhand clothing is always really inspiring for me. The fact that it had a story and has lived its own life, and then once it becomes new to me, I'll be able to see it and understand what pieces I can maximize to create something completely new out of it.
LG has committed to clean and sanitize up to 10,000 pounds of clothing before donating them to local organizations to help families in need. To learn more about giving your clothing a second life and find out where the Second Life tour will stop near you, follow #LG Second Life on social or visit lgsecondlife.com.